Lathe construction. These are the different parts. Now I already explained it. Now let's see what are the different parts in the lathe. Typical construction features of the internal. This is the headstock. You see, headstock portion of it. This is called tailstock. These are the base. Leg above leg base. Base is here. So this is called lathe bed. This is the lathe bed. This is the tool post. This is compound rest. This is cross slide. This is called carriage. Feed selector. This is a check and workpiece. Tool post, compound rest, cross slide, carriage, and agioric saddle mentioned, but this is called the saddle mentioned. Chuck, feed sector, headstock, base, lathe bed, tailstock. Different parts of lathe machine. They may all check lathe machine.
In this video, we will explain about the construction features of a lathe. The major parts of a center lathe is headstock assembly, headstock spindle with chuck, workpiece, feed selector, tailstock assembly, dead center, carriage assembly, compound rest,
apron, correct.
cross slide,
This is a cross slide. Tool post.
lathe bed, guide race, lead screw, feed rod.
Feed rod. Okay, here they are given all parts. Like this, you have to make the sketch and you have to mention the all parts in your theory. Main part of the lathe, that is headstock, tailstock, quick change gearbox, lathe bed, lead screw, carriage, cross slide, compound slide, legs, feed shaft. Here they are mentioned here. The function and parts of the lathe. Each part of the lathe machine have a different function. Now first is bed. Bed. Now they have shown the picture here. Correct? Actually lathe bed. This is called lathe bed. Okay, V as about it. Tailstock move. This is the guide way. V guide way, or it can be a flat guide way. This is the flat. This is a V guide way. So this is called lathe, cast and bed. Bed is the base or foundation of the lathe. Tailstock and carriage slides on the guideways in align with the headstock. Upper surface is ground to give a true alignment. Guideway is accurately machined parallel to the axis of spindle. This is where they are accurately machined and parallel to the axis of the spindle. This is a cross section of the guideway, lathe bed. This is full, it is a hollow section there. Rack for the transit. This is the inverted V bed way, flat bed way, flat bed. Video is here on the lathe bed. See.
Lathe bed. In this
only lathe bed. So this is a cross section.
Main components of lathe bed are lathe bed, bed base. Bed is the base or foundation of the lathe. It supports other parts of lathe. Inverted V-bed way, flat bed way, inverted V-bed base and flat bed base provide support for carriage and tailstock movement.
Okay. Bed way. Huh?
ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬಿನ್ ಕಟ್ಟದ್ದು
Band.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬಿನ್ ಕಟ್ಟ
No, on the lathe machine, band का बस का ना, it's machining operation. आता lathe bed जैसा वो on the lathe bed machine, the tail stock is mounted, and it slide on the tail. Carriage also slide. So on the lathe beds, there are three inverted bed ways and एक flat bed way. दोन्ही combine असतात. Also पुढे त्याची slide होते. Bed ways accommodate the other parts of the lathe machine. Hello. So this is the bed, lathe bed. Now guide ways is downward thrust made of cast iron, high compressive strength and wear resistance. The lathe bed is made of cast iron. Inverted ways are preferred to these allow the entry of the chips, provided the gap made to facilitate turning of the large diameters, and inverted ways, flat bed ways provide support for the carriage and the tail stock. So bed with the next part, headstock like where this headstock is. Headstock, this is the full headstock assembly. There is a gear arrangement. Speed. So we can change the speed by
Headstock, workpiece, chuck. Headstock provides the mechanical means of
see, this is
rotating
inside the headstock. इसको gear असतं. बरोबर आहे? There is motor pulley असतं. तो drive करतं. There is gear arrangement.
power source, that is motor, power transmission, that is belt drive. It also consists mechanism for driving and altering the spindle speed.
Headstock is secured permanently to the inner ways at the left hand and the bed, and it's provide mechanical means of rotating the work at a different speed. Comprises of power source, power transmission, gearbox, and hollow spindle. Headstock spindle is here. This is the spindle hose. The sharper asta. Taper sleeve, live center. Or this live center you can replace with the check. Agent till check do my job localized. Live center faceplate connect chuck can be hold and drive the work. Headstock, these are all accessories. Live center, faceplate, collet, or chuck can be fitted on the spindle nose to hold the and drive the job. Job आता जे hold करतो. Checkच असपाय ना, you can replace with the faceplate or collet, chuck, live center. हे दोनों में. Headstock spindle is driven through a step pulley and belt or by transmission gears in the headstock. The main gearbox provided the necessary spindle speed, considering the range of material to be turned and sizes. It also houses the feed gearbox to provide various speed rates for thread cutting ranges and normal turning. Next part is called tailstock. See, these are the very simple topic. All parts are main function. I will not repeat this one. As code now, then we have this revise. I will mix in the next step. You can read it and you will understand. So the next part is called tailstock. Tailstock is located in inner waist at the right end of the bed.
Tailstock. In this video, we will discuss about the tailstock. It is the important component in the lathe.
What is the function of tailstock? It supports the lengthy job. Tailstock takes support करता है, then you can do the turning.
Tailstock
Otherwise,
is a
the chance of
non-rotating
bend.
part of the lathe. It supports right end of the workpiece.
It supports the right hand of the work. And it can use for the drilling operation. For a minute. There is a tailstock. We can do the drilling also on the lathe.
Tailstock spindle, dead center. Dead center supports the workpiece. spindle clamping lever, hand wheel, screw, bed base, clamping board. Tailstock can be moved left or right over the bed base.
So these are the parts of the tailstock inside the tailstock. It
When
is work on the same